Welcome to 3 Sunderland Meadows Drive, an immaculately maintained 3-bedroom home with 3 washrooms situated within rural Brock Township's vibrant village of Sunderland. Built in 2017 and set on a corner lot within the community's latest subdivision, this brick home features a double-car garage, up to 4-vehicle driveway parking, and a wraparound porch with 2 sets of steps. A west-facing glass-paneled entry door with 2 sidelights opens into the naturally bright foyer, which features new upgraded floor tiles as well as access to the garage. The main level additionally showcases upgraded interior trims and light fixtures, new dark hardwood flooring, and both the main as well as the upper level have also been recently painted with a fresh neutral color palette. East-facing windows and a sliding door walkout in the open concept principal rooms allow for abundant natural light, and all have California shutters. The living room features the cozy warmth of a gas fireplace with a stacked stone accent facade and white mantle, while a dining and breakfast area bridges the space between it and the stunning kitchen. The functional modern design of the kitchen showcases the sleekness of stainless steel appliances, a smoked mirror backsplash, crisp white cabinetry with dark door and drawer pulls, new upgraded floor tiles, and dark stone counters with a stainless steel double undermount sink. The walkout opens onto a deck convenient for year-round barbecuing, and the windows also overlook a premium-sized backyard that awaits transformation into a dream outdoor retreat. As an added entertaining convenience, off the dining space is a new servery and pantry area with a quartz counter, display shelf, and storage drawers. And this level also features a powder room beautifully appointed with new upgraded floor tiles, a vanity with stone counter, and a window with a California shutter. While next to the washroom is staircase access to an unfinished lower level that has a laundry area with front-load washer and dryer, as well as potential for added household living space. To the upper level is a newly updated staircase with the timeless finish of painted white spindles and risers with dark stained hardwood treads and railing. With this level featuring 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 washrooms, as well as an upgraded light fixture and natural light through 2 second-story windows, all brightening a sitting area off the upper landing, which is open to the foyer below. The main 4-piece washroom is finished with a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. Its vanity provides ample storage, and there is also a good-sized linen closet at the end of the hallway. The hallway and all 3 bedrooms are carpeted for coziness and comfort. All the bedroom and washroom windows are complete with California shutters, and both the second and third bedrooms enjoy west-facing exposures and have large double closets. The master bedroom has an east-facing exposure and is bathed in the beautiful natural light streaming through its large window. Also showcasing a very spacious walk-in closet, this lovely personal retreat has a 3-piece ensuite washroom with a ceramic tiled floor, as well as a shower area with ceramic finishes, a glass door, and a stone-topped shower seat. This home is minutes from Sunderland's charming Main Street, and this family-oriented village has a wide variety of local small businesses including restaurants, cafes, shops, and services, a public elementary school, a museum, fairgrounds, a community center, and an arena. The pristine Beaver River Wetland Conservation Area is a short drive away, as is Highway 12, which connects to other major thoroughfares such as Highway 7, 47, 48, and the 407 for commuting within the surrounding regions and counties. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.